I have seen a lot of reviews about this rice water, so I decided to try it out. I have tried it before, but I didn't pay much attention to it, so this time I want to pay more attention to see if I will see any visible results. Hi, my name is Zara. So about this rice water, first of all, you have to wash your rice very well. Make sure to wash your rice. Then you pour a jar of water and cover it for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, you have to uncover it and wash the rice again. This time around, we just want to turn the water to milky color, Just wash it and massage it very well until the water turns milky. Then you are ready to go. So I want to use this medium to say a huge thank you to all my returning subscribers and all my subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you for always liking, commenting and sharing my videos. I appreciate. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly consider to subscribe and on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know each time I upload a new video. Also check out my previous videos. I know you will love them. Could you be the one? Go, go. Go, go. Could you be the one? Yeah, no, could you be the one? Go, go. Go, go. Could you be the one? Yeah, no, could you be the one? Go, go. Go, go. Could you be the one? Yeah, no, could you be the one? So guys, after you have done washing the rice and the water turns milky like this, so the next thing you have to do is to pour it into a pot. Just transfer the water into a pot. Don't add the rice, just the water. So the next thing I'm adding to this rice water is orange peel. You can use tangerine, orange or lemon, even lime you can use it. I just love to add it because it's also helped to cope with the smell of this rice water, so I love it. So you just have to add it. But if you don't want to add it, you can just boil the rice water like that and ferment it for 2 weeks before you start using it, okay? So this is it. So I have to leave it for 2 weeks for it to ferment before I will start using it. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried rice water before, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.